turbine is in excess of 800 foot-pounds. So anyway, and we produce that 16 horsepower at about 300 RPM.
Wow.
Making the power that runs the mill. This turbine is capable of producing about 16 horsepower with the amount of water head that we have available on it. Now 16 horsepower doesn't sound like much. I'm sure a lot of your bikes make more than that. However, you can't compete with us on torque. Let me tell you. Because we have computed that the stall torque on this turbine is in excess of 800 foot-pounds.
About 400 pounds an hour out of the machine without really trying. It was fall time, and of course we had lots of good water power. Well, Tom,
Ready? Here
let's
we go.
try it. There you see the rain start to go down.